Al-Sadaat Construction Solutions near Saadi Town, gate number 4. Presenting a beautifully crafted home designed with precision and built to perfection. Step into a meticulously crafted lounge featuring premium finishes and a seamless open layout. A meticulously designed kitchen with premium finishes, optimizing functionality and style. A refined drawing room with sophisticated design, premium finishes, and a spacious, inviting ambience. A modern layout featuring 2 bedrooms, each with an attached, stylish and functional washroom.